Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmad and this is Tausug 101 Learning Bahasa Sug. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about the numbers in Bahasa Sug. Objectives. By the end of this video, we are going to learn the following. The basic numbers from 1 to 10. How to name numbers starting from 11 to 19 and then 20 onwards. And lastly, the different ways of naming numbers in Bahasa Sūg. Are you ready? Then let's begin. Part 1. Numbers from 1 to 10. Listen carefully as how the names of each number are pronounced. Number 1 would be Isa. 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 Number 2 is Dua. 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 Number 3, Tu. Tu. Number 4, Upat. 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 Number 5, Lima. 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 Number 6, Unum. 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 Number 7, Pitu. 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 Number 8, Walu. 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 Number 9, Siam. 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 And lastly, number 10, Hangpu. 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 Okay, let's go over it again. Isa, dua, tu, upat, lima, unum, pitu, walu, siam, hangpu. Okay, very good. Now you know the numbers in Bahasa Sūg. Part 2, Numbers in Tens. Section number 2, Numbers in Tens. This time we will be mentioning the names of numbers in tens, starting with number 10. You ready? Let's go. 10 is, again, we already learned this, Hangpu. 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 20 is Kauhaan. 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 30 is Katluan. 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 40, Kapatan. 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 50, Kaiman. Kaiman. 60 is Kaanuman. 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 70, Kapituan. 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 80, Kawaluan. 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 90, Kasiyaman. 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 And lastly, Hanggatus. 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 Okay, let's go over it again. Say it with me. 10 is Hangpu, 20 is Kawaan, 30 Katluan, 40 Kapatan, 50 Kaiman, 60 Kaanuman, 70 Kapituan, 80 Kawaluan, 90 Kasyaman, and 100 Hanggatus. Now we know the numbers in tens from 10 to 100, and we already learned as well in first section the numbers 1 to 10. Part 3, Naming numbers 11 to 99. Now that we already know the names of numbers from 1 to 10, and we also learned the numbers in tens from 20 to 100, our next question now, how do we name the other numbers from 11 to 99? You will be surprised how easy this is going to be. Naming numbers in Bahasa Sūg, you must always remember the following 3 simple steps. Rules in naming numbers in Bahasa Sūg. First, mention the larger number. In here, the numbers in tens. Then, you add the term tag. Yes, a tag, like a price tag. And lastly, the lesser number in ones. And that's it. You have the name of the number. Easy, right? Okay, let's see how this works by studying the following examples. Let's start with 11. Okay, to make things easier, let us first dissect the number. 11, as we all know it, is 10 and 1, right? Now, following the rules in naming numbers in Bahasa Sūg, first, we mention the larger number in tens, which is of course number 10. 10 in Bahasa Sūg is, do you still remember? Right, Hangpu. Very good. Now you know how important it is to memorize these names. Okay, 10 is Hangpu, then we add the term tag. And lastly, mention the lesser number, which in this case is number 1. Number 1 is, right, Isa. So we have Hangpu tag Isa. 11 in Bahasa Sūg is Hangpu tag Isa. I told you, it's so easy. Moving on, the other numbers are 12, Hangpu tag 2, 13, Hangpu tag 2, 14 hangpo tag upat, 15 hangpo tag lima, and so on. These rules also apply to the other higher numbers. Let's study the following numbers and then try to name the next set of numbers by yourself. 27. How do you say it in Bahasa Sūg? Remember the rules. First, mention the bigger number in tens. This time, it's 20. 20 in Bahasa Sūg is kauhaan. And then, add the term tag. And lastly, mention the lesser number, which is 7. 7 in Bahasa Sūg is pitu. So, with that, we have kauhaan tag pitu. 27 is kauhaan tag pitu. Here are more examples. 36, katluan tag unum. 89, kawaluan tag siyam. 71, kapituan tag isa. Now it's your turn. Try naming the following numbers. You can pause this video while naming them and replay after a minute or two. Are you done? Let's see if you got it right. The answers are 93, kasiyaman tag 2, kasiyaman tag 2. 65, kaanuman tag 5, kaanuman tag 5. And 44, kaapatan tag upat, kaapatan tag upat. Did you get it all correctly? If you did, that's great. But if not, it's okay. You can always replay this video from the start and relearn. Again, it is important to memorize the numbers 1 to 10 and the numbers in tens from 20 to 100. And with that, you can now confidently count numbers in Bahasa Sūg. Congratulations! Give yourself a pat on your back. The next part, part 4, is not a necessary part of learning numbers in Bahasa Sūg, but rather a good to know section of this video. The decision to proceed or not is up to you. Part 4, just some additional information. Again, this part is more of a good to know section of this video. You really don't have to watch this, you can already skip to the end. Just skip to this timestamp if you want to. First, the other name for the number 1. Yes, you heard me right. Number 1 in Bahasa Sūg has in fact more than one name. Ironic, isn't it? I'm referring to the word hambuk. It also means 1. But why didn't we use this term hambuk in this video? Simple. The word hambuk, 1, is only used in describing a quantity of an object or as a description. For example, the statement, I have 1 cow. In Bahasa Sūg, aun ako hambuok sapi. We use the word hambuok here in not isa because we are describing the quantity of the object, cow. Another use of the word hambuok is when referring to time. When we want to say 1 o'clock, we say lisag hambuok and never lisag isa. Unless it's 11 o'clock, lisag hangpo tag isa, which is a totally different number. Anyway, we'll learn more about naming time and days in Bahasa Sūg in our future video, inshallah. On the contrary, when counting numbers like what we did in this video, we will never use the word hambuok. It is a big no-no. We will instead use the word isa. We never count with hambuok, dua, tu, but we say isa, dua, tu, and so on. So when you stumble upon the word hambuok and it means 1, don't panic and tell yourself, oh no, Tausug 101 fooled me. No, we didn't. It just so happened that Tausugs love making things complicated. Of all the numbers we have, we decided to give 2 names to one number, and it's number 1. Weird. Another thing that I wanted to add here as good to know is the other informal way of naming numbers. Yes, that's right. There is in fact another way of naming these numbers in Bahasa Sūg, but this is only applicable to numbers higher than 20. How do we do it? Remember the second step in naming numbers, the adding tag? You can actually just forget about it and still get the same number. Right? Let's try with our previous examples. Again, this can only be applied to numbers higher than 20. 27. 27 can also be named kauhaan pitu instead of kauhaan tag pitu. You see, we just removed the word tag. 36 can be named katluan unum instead of katluan tag unum. 89 can be named kawaluan siyam instead of kawaluan tag siyam. And 71 kapituan isa instead of kapituan tag isa. Again, this is not the proper way of naming numbers in Bahasa Sūg, but knowing these things can actually help in case you stumble upon them. That the term or connector tag in these numbers can disappear in some conversations. Okay, I think that is all I have to say. Okay, so today we learn the following. 1. The names of numbers from 1 to 10. 2. The numbers in tens from 20 to 100. 3. How to name numbers from 11 to 99. Additionally, we also learned 4. The other name for number 1 and how it is used. And 5. The other way of naming these numbers. I hope you enjoyed watching this video from Tausug 101 Learning Bahasa Sug. If you have questions or you want some words to be translated in Bahasa Sug, you can go to our Facebook page Tausug 101 and send me a message. I usually reply within a day or two if I'm not busy, or you can comment below as well. We are still trying to improve this setup so that we can give our followers the best way for them to learn Bahasa Sug. You can share your suggestions if you want. We are always open to hearing from you guys. Again, it's a fun ride with you guys. My name is Ahmad and this is Tausug 101 Learning Bahasa Sug. Till our next video, salam, kasilasa! Some mathematics in here. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Play. Am I going too fast? Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something from this. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Subscribe to this channel. Salam, kasilasa. Goodbye. Magsuon.